Emergency sirens screaming through Denver, sending people to shelter from a tornado. The big problem? There was no tornado.
The city says it was a mistake, except we're learning someone intentionally activated those sirens. And this is not the first high-profile flub for the city.
Your reporter, Sarah Horbakowitz, is getting to the bottom of it. Sarah, what a mess.
I mean, the city of Denver right now says they're working to build back public trust. This comes after 3 improper alerts this year. First, in January, Denver officials tried to send a shelter-in-place alert to 2-block radius, but a software issue sent it citywide. Then in April, a city official accidentally set a safety alert to the whole city after a reported robbery. Public safety officials tell me they updated the software and added training to stop any more alerts to more people than intended. But now an alarm has gone off that wasn't supposed to go off at all, as the city set off tornado sirens without a tornado warning yesterday. The Office of Emergency Management says they're working to make sure it doesn't happen again. It's safe to say Marissa Saturney-Johnson has a full house.
Colby.
And she wants to keep everyone safe. So in Denver on Monday, when the sky got dark and she heard this sound, she got concerned.
I was like, oh, that's one of our tornado sirens going off. I mean, very well could have been a tornado coming our way.
Rushing everyone to the basement.
And the chicken's in here. My husband and I were in here with the 2 dogs because we thought this would be the safest place.
And her family stayed there for close to an hour until the city posted an update online.
And then we come to find out that this was for nothing. And the relief that came over first was wonderful. Okay, we're not actually in danger. That's great. But then after that, we're thinking, well, why is this happening?
The Denver Office of Emergency Management says it was a mistake.
What happened yesterday, it was out of the ordinary.
Loa Esquinin Garcia with OEN admits even though there wasn't a tornado warning, someone at Denver Fire sounded the alarms in response to a non-emergency 911 call for an unconfirmed tornado.
What we had was a very well-intended staff member. He was looking out for the safety of our residents that activated the sirens manually. And by doing it manually, he skip some protocols we have in place.
That includes not confirming the reported tornado. OEM is now assessing future training.
We look what went wrong, what we can do better, what we can do to build the trust again of our residents. So we are looking at those things as a holistic approach for alert and warning as a program.
This marks the 3rd mistaken emergency alert in Denver this year, the 2nd from human error, leaving residents like Marissa unsure of what to trust.
The trust is gone right now. That's what's hard. I am fearful that after 7, 10, 15 of these happening, we're not going to take it seriously enough. And then what are we going to do when it actually is an emergency that we need to be responding to?
The Office of Emergency Management says along with taking accountability for the issue, they want residents to know their tornado warning system is tied to national weather alerts. That means if there ever is a tornado warning, not only would you hear the sirens, but you can expect an alert on your phone as well.
Okay, Sarah, bit of a mess, but hopefully they get it all cleared up.
Yep, we got some more questions to ask. We'll let you know when we got more answers.
I know. Thanks so much.